People are in big confusion. They don't like their constitutions. Every day they draw conclusions, and they're still prepared for war. Some can say what's ineffective. Some make up themselves attractive, build up things they call protective. Well, your life seems quite bizarre. In the sky, a mighty eagle doesn't care about what's illegal. On its wings, the rainbow slide. It's fine to turn at eagle fly free. Let people see. Just make it your own way. Leave time behind. Follow the sign. Together we'll fly someday. Hey, we think so supersonic, and we make our bombs atomic, or the better, quite neutronic. But the poor don't see a dime. Nowadays the air's polluted, ancient people persecuted. That's what mankind contributed to create a better time.